everyone and future self. Today is December 31st of 2021 and we're going to be building a Lego set. I just purchased my very first Lego set, and since I'm a Potterhead, I've decided to get Hedwig. Now I got this on sale on Lazada and it costs me less than 3,000 pesos for the whole set. I just find it very interesting because it's very functional, and you will see later why once I'm done with it. Lego sets are good for focus, attention span, and it's very fulfilling once you're done with it. So I guess let's start building this one. Alright then, I guess now we can start. Let's start by opening this package. Yeah, this is pretty sealed, really good, so you know it's never been opened before. And when you buy online, make sure that it's from the legit official store or the flagship stores, so you know that you're buying original pieces and not the duplicates. Okay, so oops. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 bags and the instructions. We're going to follow every page of this instruction book, and then we're going to build this thing from scratch. This is for age 10 and above, so I guess for my age, this is just going to be very easy for me. You're going to follow all these instructions per number. Let's start with bag number 1. Okay, so this is bag number 1. This is bag number 2, bag number 3, and bag number 4. Let's start with bag number 1 first. Inside we have another 2 packs. I don't know why. I guess I'll just check the menu later why they have 2 different packs. So let's start with the ones that are open first. Okay, cut. I just found out that you also have to open the 2 packs as well, because while I was trying to build the little Harry Potter one, he doesn't have his hair and his legs, and I found them here in this pack. So yeah, I guess you have to open everything up so that you can build the first bag at the same time. Okay, so this is the first that I was able to make. It's Harry Potter and Hedwig. Let me just show you in close up what they look like. So this is Harry Potter and Hedwig. He has 2 faces. If I remove this wig and turn his head around like so, you will see a scared face, and then you can put the wig back in. But I think I want to stick with Harry being happy this time. There. Also with Harry's wand, it comes in 2 pieces. I took it out from one of the 2. I guess it's just in case you lose one wand, you have another one right here. Better keep this one in a safe place so you don't lose it. Since I'm a beginner at this, I didn't realize that it would be a lot easier for you to sort out each piece by groups, so that it'll be easier for you to look for them in this pile. it for the first pack of the set. It says on the booklet that it has to have like a sticker that says the name Hedwig on it, but I can't see it anywhere in the pack number 1. So I don't know what number 3 means. Maybe it's in bag number 3 or something. I guess I'll just have to look for the sticker there. Otherwise, it's just going to be a bummer. For the first pack, I have 3 spare ones. That's pretty neat that they actually have spare parts for when you've lost some of them. Okay, so let's move on to pack number 2. And once again, they have 2 separate little packs for the whole thing, and I guess I'm just gonna have to open both of them as well. Alright, now see, I realized I made a mistake. I used a different piece, and it's this one. I have to replace it with the bigger one because I obviously made a mistake. So I'm going to have to dismantle it again and then put the right piece there. So I guess lesson learned, be careful on looking at your pieces and make sure that you're putting the right one. Now that I'm done with this one, it says here that I have to connect this to the first one that I built. I have to insert this one here. Alright, there we go. And it's supposed to move around like that. This is Hedwig's butt. Let's continue with the rest of bag number 2. We are now done making Hedwig's tail and body. It's now time to make the Hogwarts acceptance letter. In this instruction manual, it's supposed to have a sticker, but again, I can't find it in this pack. So I still don't know where the stickers are. Either do I have to print them out or make them myself. I guess we'll see on the last box, but it's not here in the instruction manual. Is it in the box? Did I leave anything inside? No, there's nothing there. Okay. Let's make the Hogwarts letter. Okay, so there. I guess that's just the letter that I have. It's supposed to have a sticker here, and of course the Hogwarts crest. I'll look for it after we've done assembling everything. We are done with bag number 2. There you have it. And once again, that bag has some extra parts. I'm going to be keeping these, and they also have an extra claw. We are going to be making Hedwig's wings. for bag number 3. Let's proceed to bag number 3. I've been at it for 2 hours now, but I don't care. I really want to be doing this for the whole day. Right, and this one has only one separate bag. So let me just sort this out, and then let's start making the third part of this. We are now done with bag number 3, and we've finished building the left side of Hedwig's wing. And for bag number 4, we are going to be building the right side of Hedwig's wing. We're going to complete that with the next bag. And again, for the third bag, we have 3 spare parts. And once again, I'm going to be keeping that for future use, just in case, I may be able to use them because I'm going to be start collecting. We can now proceed to bag number 4. So for bag number 4, we are going to be completing the whole set. It's our last bag. I'm pretty excited for the outcome. So bag number 4 has 2 separate little bags. So far, this is what we've made. Looks kind of scary though without Hedwig's head. She can't be Hedwig without a head. Look at these eyes. These kind of scared me though when I first saw it. Hedwig's eyes. But they're so cute. I can already see it coming together. It's almost done. I'm just trying to finish all the other details. This is actually very fun. It's been 3 hours already since I started. It's now time to put the eyes. So this is one eye. I'm gonna put it right here. And the other one over here. Now you can see Hedwig clearly. And then I'm just gonna put all the other minor details. 3 more pieces left and I'm almost done. And the last piece, ta-da! Guys, this is the last piece. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Complete Hedwig Lego set. Now I just have to put Harry and mini Hedwig here in front. I don't know where the stickers are. I'm gonna have to Google where I can find them so that I can complete this set. But look at this. Woo! How cool is that? Look at those wings, the details. And if you want to spread the tail and also the feathers, you can also move these. Guys, I seriously don't know where the stickers went. It's not in my box. Did I get a fake one? Is it supposed to be included? Because it doesn't say. It doesn't say in the manual where I can get the stickers. But here they have a list of all that is in the bag, how many pieces there are, but that's all there is here. Alright, I guess that is it for today. Have a happy new year and may you have more blessings to come. Thanks for watching. Bye.